After almost being eliminated because of this fool, time to beat him up. Oh no! Oh look, a bomb from last episode that I couldn't do because I had to study for a test that I definitely got A on. Huh, I'm bomb resistant. But are you waterproof? Yay, I win! I'm not going down without a proper fight. I can't keep this up for much longer. Did you just rip off my ribbon? Bro, I could just give it back. My grandmother gave me that ribbon before she died. You're going to pay. Well, time to skedaddle. And justice was saved. Yay!